Alright, I'm out here at the Parkway Street Road crossing number 2 in Corinth, Mississippi. As you can see, not much has changed here since I filmed it back in 2019. I believe I need to get back out here and refilm it. But at some point within the past few years, Norfolk Southern has replaced the bell on the cantilever signal here with a General Signals electronic bell, almost certainly a Type 3. Thankfully, nothing else here has changed. Over here, this little crossbuck once, should show y'all, still got a one-track sign on it. I think it's the closest one-track sign to me as a whole. No idea why this crossbuck's just been left here, but I guess I just ain't seen need to remove it. But yeah, just thought I'd show y'all that the bell here at Parkway Street number 1 in Corinth was replaced. No, wait, Parkway Street number 2 in Corinth. Excuse me. Over and out.